back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, hi guys, welcome back to Patois Chronicles. And of course today me I showcase sugar and spice. So come here to Jamaica, you need to have a slice of this cake. They're pudding, you can find them just, you can call me, I'm tell you which pudding, right? Yes, of course, family business. So I can go straight in the thing now, no? Oh, make you yam so much. You yam so much,
Meow. Come here in Jamaica, you'll hear this word, meow. So watch this entire video, stay tuned and comment down below. Boom.
Panelist first on the list, walk. You come here in Jamaica, you will hear this word, walk. Me I go back a walk on Tuesday. Me I go back a walk on Tuesday. I know this is a lot, but try with me. Walk. Me I go back a walk on Tuesday. Alright? Me I go back a walk on Tuesday. So walk. Alright? I will soon see what it is in English language, alright? Now for the English translation. Work. I'm going back to work on Tuesday. I'm going back to work on Tuesday. Work, walk. Work, walk. So you hear it now? Work. Alright? So you come here in Jamaica, you hear Jamaicans or you will hear anyone on the island saying walk. Me I go back to work, man. So they're saying they're going back to work. Alright? I'm going back to work on Tuesday. Alright? So Tuesday, Tuesday. Alright? Get it? Panelist, next panelist, next panelist. Galang. Galang. Galang about your business. Galang boy about your business. Girl galang about your business. Galang. Say it. Galang. Alright? Galang massa. What you chat about? Galang about your business. Me no want hear nothing from you. Galang. So you come here in Jamaica, you'll hear this another word, you'll hear galang. Of course, it's very, very, you'll hear anywhere you come in Jamaica, anywhere you hear galang, 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 galang. Alright? I'm pretty much galang in both my business. Alright, say it now with me. Galang. Galang. Galang bout your business. Alright? So you come here now and someone is saying something to you and you might not even a business transaction or anything like that. You just want them to leave you alone. You can just say, galang bout your business. Me no want hear nothing from your boy. Galang, me no want hear nothing from your girl. Galang bout your business. Go away. Some of us will add that. Now in English translation, we use the language. Sentence. So it means go. Go along about your business, or you can go along. Or go, please go. Don't want to hear from you right now. So go, galang. Alright? So you come here, you say you're ready for come down a jam down. We wait pan. Book your ticket and me tell you when to come still, alright? So pay attention. Comment down in the comment section. Let me hear where I go on if you get the ting and 1 2 1 2. When I say 1 2 1 2, I mean if you understand, alright? Or I can say Irie. So go galang. Alright? So you going now? Are you gonna go? Yeah, galang. So I see you getting it and you're learning. Congratulations. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Next panelist. Long sentence. A long time me there in this a long line. You might say, Jesus, that one was so hard.
Yes, Tanisha, that one here, I can't manage up. That one here, what you mean long time in this and this one hard, man.
So come now, make we try it together. Long. A long time me there in this ya long line. A long time me there in this ya long line. A long time me there in this a long line. See you get it, Ray. I don't know see you could I get it away. I know see you bright like that. Boom bang bang.
Oh!
Alright, English translation long. Sentence: it's been a long time since I've been in this long line. It's been a long time since I've been in this long line. It is so hard to move back that tongue from the to the, you understand me? From Patois to English translation, you know, but the girl can do a thing and them something they want. So long. Alright, you get it? Next panelist, make your name so much. Eh? You may talk, I will say, you may chat too. Make your name so much. I'm gonna put on the food and tap in yam in your name too much. Here in Jamaica, eat. Oh, me should have never said that.
Yeah, boy, out, man.
Alright, then. I'm gonna bring it over here so I'm not eat it. A, eat. Alright, English translation, eat. How do you eat so much? Or why do you eat so much? Nisha, why you eat so much? Jesse, why you eat so much? Sidney, why you eat so much? Alright, so you come here, nyam, eat. Alright, so pretty much in the first part there, I did eat, which is the English translation. So I'm gonna bring the little Patois over here. So I'm bearting and things. So type down below and tell me which one was your favorite. Alright, so you're done. So we come to the end of another Patois Chronicles video. Yes, guys, see you tomorrow at 6 a.m. in Morning Glory. And of course, see you guys come out and check out Games Night Thursday at 6 p.m. Jamaican time. You don't know when I finish it because I go to the first comment shout out. So you have to watch the entire video. And pretty minutes soon I drop the word for the day. That means then I watch the video to the end. And of course, first comment shout out go to Minister of Music. Thank you very much for coming, sir. God bless you. Thank you for the love and I appreciate you. Stay safe, guys. Bye.